video that's going around with Camille Big Brother, talking about her family and her son. Camille's son is artistic, and he is in the artistic ward where doctor is taking care of him and everything. And she's been going to England time after time to make sure that her son is alright.
My sister gone with Beenie Man in Jamaica. She don't care about me. Nothing. Even phone and she don't answer me. She might care about me sometime. That's Beenie Man's wife. She is what I carry to school every day. Right? In Jamaica. But now she gone to Jamaica and gone with Beenie Man and turned star. And she forget about me. That one Camille. She forget about her son. When mother England. And she have a son in England. And the man there Marsley here. Him name Gucci Lee. Him get his name off a Kakali here. Kakali. Yeah, Kakali. And him there Marsley. My head a mad too. But Beenie Man have this woman here with a picnic with mad. Yep. Oh, Camille fi have her picnic. That made her hurt me. When you have your picnic in a Marsley, and you walk past the Beenie Man and give you food. How you feel give you food? You feel sad.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete of many of the panel beating, as you can see pan on the screen. Farmer dancer King Beenie Man has to be using his platform to be defending his wife because her brother just wants to come out here and chat her business. People putting out the comment section where you think about that, because besides him saying what he must say no, people been said that about homegirl. Mr. Marcel. And you know, this is the typical case with woman. A woman just love man, you see me, and she was rolling with the king. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. But on a serious note, and I already know the position her child is in, and a lot of people don't find it cute that, you know, she's abroad, you know, with Beenie Man managing film business and not, you know, her business. But if she's making money from Beenie Man, sending it back home, I don't really see no issues with that per se. You know what I mean? But as you say, the brother says, she nah do none of that, you know. Because you know, so the money kind of tight over there, you know. But nevertheless, let's hear what Beenie Man has said, and then we'll get to what his wife Camille has to say about her, you know, her son, her bro, and all of these things. So let's like to share a video from now, and let's get into it.
So why this man come talk about the man mother and them thing there? He's a madman. You see? So I'm just here to tell you that she been doing everything that she can do. She doing everything that she can do to take care of her son and make sure say her son is alright. Make sure say the doctor them take care of him and everything. See it? And I am here with her. So you know that everything is alright. You see me? And my problem is, why is this man disrespecting his sister? For no reason. You have to talk about your sister give out food a country and all of them things there, zinc and them things there. You live in England how much years? Are you supposed to help we give out zinc? You have to tell people to help you. Why you not help you? Why you do? Stop. Now, I'm here to talk about music and talk about performance and life and talk about Camille, my wife. Yeah. She take care of her son every day. Every day. Right now, she have to talk about supper because dinner sent already done, babes.
It's dinner time.
It's dinner time?
Send like, 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock now. Yeah, so they
I don't let him eat the hospital food.
Yeah, because him not eat hospital food. Him not eat the boy you talk about. We have to buy the food to send from one place to the next place.
Until I'm there. When I'm there,
yeah.
every now and then.
Alright, because Camille got England every now and then. You don't even know she does just a zoop and zoop because her son is in the hospital.
We don't need to know.
Yeah, so, yeah. If anybody need to know that, right now, nobody never need to know, but now me and make her know. See it? Yeah, man, she take care of her kid. Yeah, man, I fear her kid. And she take care of him 100%. You see me? So, you know when nobody go around and talk about and say pray and this and that. One superwoman. Say it again.
One superwoman.
Yeah, me just want to know still. One superwoman. You see me? She take care of we, she take care of her son, she take care of her mother and her father. And we just want to know. See, even the brother. We are talking about where bam bam. Him all and Camille big brother. A Camille big brother is not a little brother, you know. And as she take care of him, that me I try to tell you. As she take care of him, see it. But you see some man now, some man do music and can't bust. And them blame her for the reason because she there with me. And I say, why she can't put him in a position where him can bust? That's his business. Because the music where him a sing, him not send it to we. Him want we to come to him to find the music. If you want to bust straight, you find ways to get the music out to the people them where you want to help you. This is the problem. Stop that. Stop. So if you want to go live, we can go live to go. My babes have phone. See that? I fear a phone with that pan. But don't have a phone. You see me I say? So you have to know that. See it. But what they have to tell the people them about Gucci? See Gucci's artistic. And is well taken care of. Well taken care of. 100%. Seeing him father dere with him. Seeing no disrespect to Kakali, me I tell her and stood him dere with him son. You see it? Even though him son mother they are Jamaica with me. You see me? But him dere with him son. As a father, respect you sir. Blessings. Thank you for taking care of him. You see it? But we are here taking care of him 100%. You see it? So I don't want a little madman to come on the live and I talk about and I try to tarnish Camille.
Right now my dad wants to go live.
No. Listen what me say now.
What do you
Even film father want to go live. We tell him,
what you
say boy, you're a madman. Even Camille mother want to go live. But no, me I gotta do it myself. I gotta defend my wife. You see it? I'm not depend on that. Zin, stop. Do what you have to do. Stop. Doing what it stop.
You see me going talking about nonsense about my
Zin.
mom. Rubbish.
So you see everything where you talk about is rubbish. You disrespect your mother. You disrespect your father. You disrespect your sister. That means you're disrespecting yourself. And thy mother and thy father. That thy day and this earth shall be longer.
Biting the hands of
you see? So the people that may feed you, you disrespect. So you cannot do that, Virgin. And right now we're going to have a chat to you. We're going to have a chat to the people. Then. What's up, people? How are you doing? Everything all right? Blessings. Rastafari. I'm just come over to talk about that. I'm not coming over to talk about nothing else. I just want to know some more music coming out and more video coming out. And I'm still looking younger and I'm still looking sexier and I'm still hot. Look at me. Blessings.
You're full of it.
That's the fun. Blessings. Yeah, I'm just upset about everything that guy said, and it wasn't right for him to do that because you know, him not try to take care of the kid. Him not try to take care of himself. Because him try to make himself look popular and him try to make himself popular.
My son is so innocent.
Yeah, and you cannot disrespect the kid because the kid is innocent. The kid not doing nothing to your dread.
Artistic. I don't.
The kid is artistic. He's not mad. Don't say the kid mad.
And I'm trying to
say,
find
oh,
the
my
best
son there.
support for my son. I try to get
they
therapy,
can't
right?
do that,
He's getting therapy
Reggie.
and he's much
See?
better.
And people, if you hear me say it's my son, it's because I'm a wife's son. Gene, so do not get me wrong. Blessings.
My son is in an artistic.
Yeah, he's an artistic kid.
rehabilitation
See, so
hospital.
he's in the hospital because you know him do something sometime, him come out and do something sometime, but he's not a madman. He's artistic. You know, can read about it. Everybody can just dial artistic kid. Just Google it. Yeah, man, just Google it. I know what artism is. You see it? So, yeah, that's what it is. There's nothing else. And he's in the artism ward. He's not at the mad ward. He's being taken care of. He's in the autism. Really be it. Yeah, what do you call it now?
A rehabilitation hospital.
Yeah. Okay, blessings.
That's where he
All right,
is.
she's
He's getting
talking.
the best treatment.
Just
now.
getting
I'm
better
not the
treatment.
expert. I've
We
been
talk to the
to
doctors every day.
I'm exerting.
Every morning the doctor calls me.
Right.
Every morning.
Therapy.
You see? So,
And when I'm there, we're there.
we never
you
expect
know?
that from Camille, brother. And
Yeah, why would I want my business to be out? I don't need to disclose.
no,
this.
me never expect that from him.
My-
And he
what-
was,
what I'm going through.
and he was very disrespectful.
I still try to keep a firm. I mean, listen.
Say,
There is so many. You know, the thing is, I've always, you know, I'm there for my son. This is my son I love, right? It's not something, this is my private, my personal affairs. It's not for me to be out in the public to discuss, to disclose what my, you know, the situation of my son. But people around me is aware my son is autistic, right? I've tried to do everything that could help. I'm not an expert, but I'm extremely, you know, I try to learn to do, you know, the best way I'm able to help my son. But I'm not an expert. Now, the best thing that could help him is to have him into the autism. The autism, yeah, rehabilitate. This is where, you know, the best thing we would have, you know, actually agreed to for him to get better
Jamaican
treatment.
used already. Clingy.
But this is not for my brother to come and disclose on
This is fucking this.
on the public. I mean,
Oh, and that
people
is
around me
really
know
good.
my son is autistic. I'm there. I'm in and out. People don't. I'm not a person to disclose my personal affairs. I don't like these things. I honestly don't like these things. Even when I'm out on social media, I'm defending modes. I don't even bring myself onto social media like that, you know. But my brother it seems he also needs support because he's mental. My brother is clearly needing support
I'm
too.
sick. I'm mad, man. Him mad. Him not
And I'm not my son. I mean, to all the persons that is going through that, you know, that is as autistic family, that themselves. It's not something easy, right? But I don't need any sympathy from anybody. I'm not gonna go there and say, oh, my son is autistic, and I go through, you know, it every day. This is, you know, it's been
We
for
take care of our
years.
family.
He's like this,
Yeah.
and
We take care of family. We take care of everybody in our family. We
as
do
always,
what we always do. Take care of family. We don't need nobody to come talk about our family and say nothing about our family. I say nothing about the family because we not say nothing about it. Why do you feel like you are the man who is supposed to come say something? But you said the wrong thing. You said you mad. You disrespect. And we do not believe in that. Camille don't left her son. Camille is in England every time. When I'm a bed, I'm a woman and say, yo, I'm going to hold a flight. Camille for go look for my son. We even go hold a flight. I can't tell you when, but we're going to hold a flight. You see?
Exactly.
If you go look for your son.
Don't know. People don't need to know
You
why.
see?
Why would I be disclosing? Oh, I'm going to get
What?
I don't even put up my son and my family birthday. I'm just not that type of person. I just don't.
Camille's birthday
on
come up
social-
on our birthday.
And my birthday is days after I put my birthday out. I don't like those things. I'm just not that type of person.
People, just know these things. We love our kids. I love all mine. I love all of mine. You know me. My kids look like me. They don't look like nobody else. You see? So, you know, say all of my pick them and my pick them, so we take care of all of them. You see? I do not want somebody to come and try to disrespect and try to, what do you call it now? Discriminate and try to attack things that they don't know about people. Camille love her kids. She got 2 kids. 2. Not 3, not 4. She got 2 kids. 2 grandkids. And she love them to death. That's why, you know. My pitney them give me grandpitney, you know my things take. And my this not me not talk about me. Me I talk about the love and respect of people who respect people. Do respect your family. Do not disrespect your family. If you love your family for what they have done for you. Not for what you want. Yeah, me not ask my sister and she not look for me and she give out kids things to St. Elizabeth and she give out kid things to where that don't make no sense. What she have done for you as a person, that is what you're supposed to talk about. If you come to talk about, you don't discriminate. You don't try to bring down your family. You don't try. People, I love my fans because they come out at every stage show. See? My fans love me because when me come out at every stage show. I love my family because they support me for everything, and with everything that I've done, my family support me. See? Alright? Buy them a house, them living in it. My mother, I love her to death. That's why I never bury her. You get me? I build a house and put her in it. This is my thing. This is family. But I'm not here to talk about me. I'm here to talk about this guy who tried to disrespect my wife. I'm here to defend my wife. And she only, not me. I'm not here to defend myself.
Well, I just knew that he was going to come and explain himself. Because yesterday, them sending that video that with that man, yeah, chat, you know. He said, man, I said, but if you made it this far in the video, answer this question for me, you know. Beenie Man not deal with him pitney right, and the woman not deal with him pitney right, and the people that might come out and attack from the issue to find other family members. It's serious, my people. Yeah. So do the right thing and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I go update a story. You see, man, I say, bless.